Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am CSJAS. I hope you all are doing well and preparing for your exams. So I host free special live classes on Unacademy daily at 7 p.m. for company law and GIGL. And not just this, I'm always there to help you out regarding doubts, regarding your tips and tricks and your strategies to clear your exams. We are focusing on June 2022 exams, but I'm here to announce another 2 special live classes today and on Saturday, that is on 10th and 12th March, sharp at 7 p.m. Today's session is a bit different from others. Today I will be taking up a counseling session for CS students on how to pursue CS. Now, if you are, a commerce student, or if you are a new student to CS, even if you are a CS CET student or CS executive student or CS professional student, you should know how you can pursue CS. It's going to be a 100% counseling session, and of course, because it's a live session, you can come up and talk to me and ask your doubts regarding anything you have about the company secretaryship course. Make sure that you join the session, and the second session is on 12th, that is on Saturday, sharp at 7 p.m. and that is also a doubt solving session. Now you can be at any level. You can be a CS CET student, a CS executive student or a CS professional student. Any kind of doubt that you have, you can come up and ask me. Feel free to ask me anything, and I host such doubt solving sessions after a few days in my free live classes, because students have lots of general kind of doubts regarding tips, tricks, strategies. So I am there to answer those doubts. So make sure you join that session as well, sharp at 7 p.m. Last links of both the classes will be in the description box below. Make sure you click on them and click notify me so that before a class begins, you get a notification. Other than that, Unacademy offers awesome courses for CA, CS, CMA students. Feel free to check their courses, and especially for our CS students, the batch links are also given in the description box below. You can go and check them, and in case you take a subscription, do use my code CSJAS to get flat 10% discount, and alongside that you can also get an opportunity to talk to me. That is, it's a one-on-one mentorship call, and the offer of this mentorship call is valid till 10th March only. So make sure you avail the offer and talk to me, and you can schedule the call. Steps to schedule a call with me is given in the description box below only. You can go and check those steps. Other than that, these classes are totally free of cost. You can unlock the classes by using my code CSJAS. Looking forward to see you all in today's session at 7 p.m. Unlock my classes by using my code CSJAS. Bye.